Hello and welcome to FIELDBOSS. Today, we will discuss invoicing on the FIELDBOSS platform. Invoicing is one of FIELDBOSS's flagship features. FIELDBOSS can help you get the bills out the door faster so you can get paid for your work as soon as possible. FIELDBOSS has a number of built-in workflows and templates that make the process seamless, and can even be integrated with Microsoft Dynamics GP accounting system so that your information flows between your accounting system and ERP systems without hassle. To access your invoices, click the Invoices button on the left menu pane. By default, you will see a list of all your invoices. You can switch the types of invoices you are viewing by clicking the downward arrow to the right of the All Invoices button, then selecting the new view you want. These can be drafts, overdue, paid invoices, and the like. If you click into an invoice, you can see the type of information that is included in it. This includes the amount, the building location, as well as the account it is associated with. You can also see a list of products associated with the invoice in the top right quadrant. Creating an invoice in FIELDBOSS is simple. First, go to the work order that you wish to create an invoice for. Then, click the Flow button in the top right-hand corner, and click the Create Invoice from Work Order button within the drop-down menu. When you click this button, FIELDBOSS automatically creates a draft invoice, places the information into a pre-created invoice template, then sends the invoice to the appropriate contact for the account. If this process is completed successfully, the status on the work order should change to invoiced. If you click on the Invoices tab, you can see the newly created invoice here. To see what it looks like to a client, simply click on the invoice and then click the Create Document button in the top menu pane. When the window loads, click through the next two windows until you see a preview that emerges. This is what the invoice will look like to your client. You can edit these templates in Word to create your own custom invoice templates. Finally, let's look at paid invoices. To do this, return to the Invoices tab and switch to the Paid Invoices view. An invoice's status will change to paid once someone on your accounting team records the payment in GP. This change will be reflected in FIELDBOSS automatically, allowing for easy management of your outstanding invoices. This has been invoicing for FIELDBOSS. If you want to learn more, reach out to a FIELDBOSS consultant or check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.